Alright, so I'm going to be doing a quick get ready with me. I'm going to be reinstalling this wig. This is a wig I have already used. I'm just going to lay down, and then after laying it down, we're going to go into the makeup parts. Sometimes when I lay my wigs, I prefer to cut it first, like cut the lace first before laying it down. Even if I don't want to glue down the lace, I just want to wear the wig glueless, I still need to cut off the excess lace. So one thing I like about using hairspray, especially got-to-be hairspray, is that I can take off my wig the same day. Whenever I lay my wigs, I try to not make it hold too much because I like to change my hairstyle. So I've seen a lot of people ask, how do you reinstall the cut lace or an already used wig? This is basically how you do it. It looks simple, but it may not be simple for everybody, so you need to just practice. That's why we have these videos out here. They are free of charge. You're not paying to learn how to, install a wig or anything like that. Watch one of these videos. Watch this one. You see how I'm doing it? Pretty simple. This is also one wig I really love.